Hi Aries, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Aries, for your general energies, career situation, and relationship, guys. We are picking few cards, guys. So these are for your general energies, Aries. This is for your relationship, and this is for your career situation. If you want more clarity, Aries, in your situation, you can watch the pick a card love reading I have right after this general energy, guys. So you can stay tuned for that. Let's start with these cards. We have Justice, Page of Cups in reverse, and Ace of Wands. So in your situation, guys, Aries, it may be in your work or it may be in your relationship. You are someone who is really, someone having ideals and beliefs for yourself, and you have rules and regulations for yourself. So you do everything in a particular way or a particular order. And you are someone who values the people, so other people's efforts or people in your life, you listen to them, you listen to their suggestions, and you are someone who respect other people's space, freedom, and even suggestions. So you are someone who is really kind and compassionate, Aries, in your situation with the people around you. And today in your life, maybe you trusted someone and this person is here with you, maybe because they want to achieve certain things for themselves. So they are not truly honest. They are having their own ideas and they are here because of their selfishness. So they want to improve their life or their ambitions, move forward towards their ambitions or goals, and that is the reason they are with you, to make use of you in some ways, and they are not telling you the truth. And you may be facing a lot of obstacles because of this person, because of the way they are, and maybe they are quite jealous because there are opportunities knocking you, something, maybe it may be a new beginning in your work situation with has a great lucrative return. So you have opportunities and offers coming towards you because of your skills and talents, and because you are really a devoted person to your career, or you are someone who is really dedicated to this relationship. So you find people really, people are attracted to you guys, and they find you a very charming and attractive person, Aries. So you may have people coming asking you whether you are really interested to be in a connection with them. So many people find you really charming and attractive because of the way you are, maybe because of your appearance or because of your skills and talents. And today these offers and opportunities are simply making this person jealous, and they are trying to use your opportunities for their benefit in some way. So you have to be careful, guys, if you have a vague idea who it is in your situation. You have to stay away from this person, Aries. So that is what I see, guys, with these cards. So let's see what is the card for your relationship in particular. It's 10 of Pentacles. So with this card, it just means that you are happy to be with this person. You have that emotional satisfaction, joy, and things are going in a very positive way. And good fortune is smiling on you, and you are reaping the rewards for your efforts and hard work in this relationship. So the way your dedication or your devotion has paid off, so this person truly understands you. Maybe this card may even signify marriage or engagement with this person you love. So let's see what is the card for your career situation. It is Queen of Wands. So again, a very positive card here, Aries. Again, it just means that you are a devoted person, dedicated to your work, and you are confident and skilled, talented, and you are having that willpower and determination to see things through. So whatever difficulties you are facing, you face it courageously, guys, Aries. So that is the reading with these cards, Aries. Thank you for watching. If you want more clarity, you can stay tuned for the pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, guys. For your love reading, guys, we have 2 cards today. So this is your first card and this is your second card. So if you have any doubts or confusions in your mind, you can think about it. Close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, then open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. So that way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start the reading with the first card after a few seconds of silence. Okay guys, so now let's start with the first card. We will see what it is. I will keep this card aside. So for those who chose this card, the first card, it's from nothing to everything. So that is the card for y'all, guys. So with this card, it just means that today in your situation, in order to receive something fresh, new, and something great for you, something much better than your dreams or fantasies, you need to let go, maybe become empty. So we need space to receive something that is coming in our life, guys. This may mean letting go of the attachment you have towards your person in order to receive that genuine love that is coming towards you. And maybe you are holding on to your fantasy about a dream job, but today for that most soulful, passionate and successful occasion, you have to accept some guidance in your life today, guys. It just means that you need to take one day at a time, guys. Live one day at a time and maybe surrender the fantasy, dream or a story, whatever we have for ourselves, because reality is knocking at our door, and with the delivery of what we have been fantasizing about, but in the best way for us. So what is the best? It will be better than our dreams or fantasies. So that is what is coming towards us. And maybe the dying of this dream or fantasy is really stressing us. It may be really painful, giving us a lot of grief. But dying to that attachment or the opinions we have, that is what is happening. And this is the time we can stop dreaming and start living. So that is what is unfolding in our life today. And we should not fear this process that is happening and embrace this process without expectation for future, and have trust in your heart that divine energy or God or universe, whatever you call it, is simply guiding you from fantasy into fulfillment, guys. So that is the energy with this card. For those who chose this card, that is the reading, guys. So let's see what is the second card. So for those who chose this card, the second card, let's see what is the card. It says withdraw. So with this card, guys, in your situation, it just means that we need to see things differently. So maybe we need time alone, maybe. So withdrawing does not mean breakup or trying to avoid that situation. It just means that we need a temporary disengagement from that circumstance in order to get clarity. So when we have time alone, that rest gives us time for a better clarity in our situation and inner wisdom to discern all facts. So you need to be really if you want to be really clear about the way things are in your life and see things as it is for what it is in truth, you have to see it with a different perspective. See it as a third person. Only then you will be able to see your situation without being judgmental. Just observe your situation, allow thoughts to flow, and you will know what is the right thing or what is the right way to handle your situation, and you will have that guidance in your heart and insight into your circumstance, guys. So whatever problems you are facing today in this relationship, you need, if you want that inner wisdom, you have to take time to think alone, guys. So get that clarity. So that is the energy with this angel guidance card here for y'all. For those who chose this card, that is the reading, guys. So that is the reading for y'all today, guys. Thank you for watching. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.